Starting around the 23rd of May 2023, Jasmy coin really is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.52% in especially most recent 60-minute, which especially is very huge. JASMY really has an all-out market cap of $232,772,355 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $23,164,349 in an every practical sense, enormous way. This truly makes Jasmy coin by and large positioning at 130 in the digital currency market, which generally is very critical, on the off chance that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the Jasmy coin cost expectation end of 2023. What will Jasmy coin generally be exceptionally worth in 2023? Which especially is genuinely critical. Is Jasmy coin a wise venture or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2023? Which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Will JASMY cost fundamentally outperform its unequaled all things considered, high in an unpretentious way? These sort of are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for JASMY's future, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Jasmy coin value forecast 2023 in an unpretentious way. As per the Jasmy coin conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the JASMY cost especially is supposed to in every practical sense cross in every practical sense normal value level of $0. The normal kind of least value worth of Jasmy coin toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to truly be $0, which truly is genuinely huge. Besides, JASMY can sort of arrive at a greatest value level of $0, which sort of is genuinely huge. Jasmy coin value expectation May 2023. The cost of Jasmy coin generally is really anticipated to reach at an essentially least worth of $0 May 2023, or so they in every practical sense thought. The JASMY cost could for the most part arrive at a by and large greatest worth of $0, the essentially normal exchanging worth of $0 through 2023, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Jasmy coin value estimate June 2023. The sort of normal cost of Jasmy coin could generally go to $0 the finish of June 2023. JASMY could truly be exchanging around an especially most extreme worth of $0 the base expected cost of $0, which in a real sense is very critical. JASMY value estimate July 2023. Concerning July 2023, Jasmy coin by and large is supposed to arrive at a really least value worth of $0 a quite enormous manner. The JASMY cost could in a real sense arrive at a very most extreme cost of $0, the genuinely normal cost around $0 a genuinely significant manner. Jasmy coin value gauge August 2023. The especially normal cost of Jasmy coin could generally go to $0 the finish of August 2023, which for the most part is genuinely critical. JASMY could in every way that really matters be exchanging around an essentially greatest worth of $0 the fundamentally least expected cost of $0, or so they generally thought. Jasmy coin value expectation September 2023. Jasmy coin cost basically is supposed to basically reach between $0 September 2023, while the kind of typical cost of JASMY for the September basically remains around $0 value expectation October 2023. Jasmy coin cost is supposed to generally reach between $0 October 2023, while the sort of typical cost of JASMY for the October by and large stays around $0 value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the especially most extreme cost for Jasmy coin could basically stretch around $0. Besides, the minimum cost of JASMY in November 2023 sort of is $0 a for the most part normal cost of $0 a kind of significant manner. Jasmy coin value gauge December 2023. The Jasmy coin cost for December 2023 may really arrive at a kind of least worth of $0. The kind of greatest determined cost by and large is around $0, which essentially is genuinely critical. The by and large normal cost for JASMY really is for the most part anticipated to reach $0 December 2023, which generally is very critical. Jasmy coin kind of past value examination in the exact beyond 24 hours. The crypto in a real sense has been truly diminished by 0.62% in its all things considered current worth, or so they really thought. Assuming we truly think about the exceptionally current market cap of the JASMY with yesterday, you can for the most part see that the market cap in every practical sense is additionally down. From essentially most recent 7 days, the JASMY especially was in very great vertical pattern and expanded by 1.46% in an unobtrusive manner. Jasmy coin certainly has shown areas of strength for extremely of potential recently, and this could be generally excellent chance to really dive right in and contribute. exhibiting that Jasmy coin value estimate December 2023. The Jasmy coin cost for December 2023 may basically arrive at a very least worth of $0. The truly greatest Guaj cost basically is around $0, a sort of large manner. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of JASMY explicitly diminished by 28.774%, dispensing with an incredible in every practical sense normal amount of $0 its exceptionally current worth in an extremely significant manner. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a fundamentally decent basically purchase an open door for truly fast speculation. Or so they in a real sense thought. The 90 days cost change especially is near 6.80%, and the cost especially flowed from by and large least especially normal cost of $0 sort of most extreme especially normal cost of $0 the sort of beyond 90 day. Certainly further appearance how might JASMY cost in a real sense outperform its unequaled high, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. In fundamentally most recent 4 months Jasmy coin in every practical sense has shown a developing pattern, exhibiting how Jasmy coin value forecast May 2023. The cost of Jasmy coin is anticipated to explicitly reach at an exceptionally least worth of $0 May 2023, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. In this manner, we imagine that comparable pieces of the market truly were very famous at that period in a significant manner, as per the in a real sense the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Jasmy coin truly is expanded from 4 months, exceptionally further appearance how Jasmy coin value expectation 2023 in an unobtrusive way. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost in an exceptionally enormous manner. The coin for the most part is up by 26.25% with the very greatest pretty typical cost of the coin basically was around $0 the genuinely least in every way that really matters. Normal cost of all things considered was around $0 genuinely beyond 4 months in a by and large significant manner. Jasmy coin value figure 2023 FAQs what will be Jasmy coin kind of worth in 2023, or so they explicitly thought. The JASMY cost is determined to really arrive at a greatest degree of $0 exceptionally least cost of $0 the finish of 2023, or so they basically thought. Does Jasmy coin generally have a future? As far as value, Jasmy coin by and large has an extraordinary kind of potential to especially arrive at new levels, which all things considered, is very critical. It really is conjecture that JASMY will increment in esteem, which especially is very huge, as per pretty unambiguous specialists and business examiners. Jasmy coin can really raise a ruckus around town the most exorbitant cost of 3 cents till 2030 and in every practical sense, large way. Is Jasmy coin worth purchasing in 2023, or so they fundamentally thought? Jasmy coin's worth sort of is supposed to sort of keep on growing, as deficiency will in general basically empower cost rise. If it's not too much trouble. Note, there basically is a gamble to any speculation, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. Just in a real sense put resources into what you can achieve prior to